All right, here's a tricky problem for you, and the trickiest part of it comes from the fact that we are given f prime of x. So we have to think about this from the perspective of the derivative. So if you notice, f prime of x from the graph is always bigger than 0, which means f is always increasing. And because f is always increasing, its lowest value will occur down here at the left-hand endpoint, and the highest value will occur at the right-hand endpoint. So A, where is f of x the greatest, is at x sub 6. B, where is f of x the least, that is at x sub 1. Next, we're asked where is f prime the greatest, and we're just looking for the point where we have the highest y value on the given graph. And where is f prime the least? You want to look for the lowest y value on the given graph. So C will be x sub 3, where f prime is the greatest, and D will be x sub 2, where f prime is the least. Last, we're looking for where the second derivative is the greatest and where the second derivative is the least. Well, the second derivative depends on the slope of the first derivative. So where the first derivative decreases, the second derivative is negative, and where the first derivative increases, the second derivative is positive. Well, there's only one place on this entire graph where the second derivative is positive because the first derivative has a positive slope, and that is at x sub 6. So that is E, where the second derivative is greatest. F, where the second derivative is the least, is either going to be at x sub 1 or at x sub 4, and this is a judgment call. I think that we have a steeper negative slope at x sub 1. So I will go with that as where f double prime is the least.